Hello. This is Knowledge Gained While Sleeping. Welcome to Knowledge Gained While Sleeping, where we aim to impart knowledge into your mind while you slumber. If there is a specific topic you'd like to learn about, feel free to leave a comment. And now, let's start today's session of gaining knowledge while you sleep. Today, we will explore some of the fascinating scientific concepts and phenomena that are a part of our daily lives. From the physics of how a roller coaster works to the biology of why we dream, we'll delve into the science behind the things we take for granted. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn something new. The physics of roller coasters. Roller coasters are one of the most thrilling amusement park rides. But have you ever wondered how they work? Roller coasters are all about physics. The force of gravity, the speed of the coaster, and the shape of the track all play a role in creating the excitement of the ride. When a roller coaster starts to go down a hill, it gains speed, and this speed is what keeps the coaster moving uphill. When the coaster reaches the top of a hill, it has reached its maximum speed and has the most potential energy. As the coaster goes down the hill, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. This is what makes the coaster go fast. The shape of the track is also crucial to the excitement of the roller coaster. Different shapes, such as loops, drops, and twists, create different sensations for the rider. For example, when a roller coaster goes through a loop, the rider experiences a feeling of weightlessness. This is because the force of gravity is temporarily redirected, and the rider is pushed away from the seat, creating a floating sensation. The speed of the roller coaster is also an important factor in determining the excitement of the ride. The faster the coaster goes, the more intense the sensations will be. However, it's not just about speed. The coaster's design, including the shape of the track, the height of the hills, and the length of the drops, all play a role in creating a thrilling experience. The biology of sleep and dreams. Have you ever wondered why we need to sleep and what causes us to dream? Sleep is an essential part of our daily routine. It helps our bodies and minds to rest and recharge, so we can function at our best the next day. During sleep, our brain is still active and is processing the events and experiences of the day. This is when we dream. Dreams can be strange and vivid, but they can also provide insight into our unconscious thoughts and desires. The exact purpose of dreaming is still not fully understood, but scientists believe that it may play a role in helping us process our emotions and consolidate our memories. Some research suggests that dreaming helps us to process and make sense of the events and experiences of the day, and to form new connections between our memories. The stage of sleep when dreaming occurs is called rapid eye movement sleep. During REM sleep, our brain is highly active, and our muscles are temporarily paralyzed, which helps us to avoid acting out our dreams. Most people cycle through different stages of sleep throughout the night, including REM sleep, but the exact length and pattern of sleep can vary from person to person. The chemistry of cooking. Cooking is not just about following recipes, it's also about understanding the science behind the ingredients and techniques. Cooking is all about chemistry. For example, when you bake a cake, you are using the chemical reaction between baking powder and heat to make the cake rise. When you cook meat, the heat causes the proteins to denature, which is why the meat changes color and texture. Food chemistry is also about understanding the chemical properties of different ingredients and how they interact with each other. For example, the acidity of a tomato can affect the flavor of a dish, and the pH levels can impact the cooking time. Understanding these chemical reactions can help you to create more delicious and flavorful dishes. One of the most interesting aspects of food chemistry is the way that heat can change the chemical properties of ingredients and transform them into new and delicious flavors. For example, when you agar a sugar, you are using heat to break down the sugar molecules and create new, complex flavors. Food chemistry also involves understanding the role of different ingredients in a recipe. For example, eggs play an important role in many baked goods, including cakes and breads. The proteins in eggs help to structure the dough, and the moisture in the eggs helps to make the baked goods tender and moist. The psychology of color. Have you ever wondered why certain colors evoke certain emotions or feelings? The psychology of color is a fascinating field that explores the ways in which colors can affect our emotions, moods, and behaviors. Color is a powerful tool that can be used to influence our emotions and attitudes. For example, warm colors, such as red, yellow, and orange, are often associated with excitement, energy, and warmth. Cool colors, such as blue, green, and purple, are often associated with calmness, serenity, and stability. The psychology of color also plays a role in advertising and marketing. Companies often use specific colors to evoke certain emotions or to appeal to specific target markets. For example, blue is often used in financial and banking advertisements, because it is associated with stability and trustworthiness. Green is often used in environmentally friendly advertisements, because it is associated with nature and sustainability. Conclusion, and that's it. We've covered just a few of the fascinating scientific concepts that are a part of our everyday lives. I hope you have learned something new and interesting. Science is all around us, and by understanding the science behind the things we take for granted, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Thank you for listening to this audiobook about the science of everyday life.